Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's
Then here is my gas stove. Got a small contraption for my stove. So today we are trying to do it inside the tent because it's quite windy outside, and here comes the milk. So this has been set up. See, so let us use some water here. So we are 3 people, right? So we'll make cup chai for 3 people. It's got simmer control, so we'll lower it, though you may not see it, but in the dark if you see it, this is 11,000 butane Soto Windmaster thing. This is the best in the business, it's a Japanese brand. See, again a foolproof brand, especially for windy conditions this is there. So we will put the chai. So like a normal, सब कुछ साथ मिला देंगे and then the chai will be made. So let's put some milk. Yeah. See, let's put the chai patti. We got ready use spoons here. See, here also I got a spoon, chotu sa. We'll use a bigger spoon. 1, 2, 3. And the chai patti. 1, 2, 3. You can keep watch it because it just overflows very fast. It happens. See, so you have to be very careful. See, today because we are doing inside. See, now it's done. See, we close this. Chai is ready. Ready to cook. So we got pindi chana today. We got paneer butter masala today. See, we got Mughlai paneer today, and we got some bread. See, and some poha, instant poha, and some South Indian stuff where you can mix it with rice, or you can eat it with, say, bread. You can spread it on the bread. See, these are chutneys. So today we have got this. So let us have our breakfast today. So we have not had anything. So today the thing is, now what we are going to have is some pindi chana, see, with bread and a little bit of chutney. So again, what I carry out there is the thing which I carry out here is all my titanium cooking utensils. See, so you can eat it. It's very ultralight. It is very portable. See, and all these 3 are portable. So I use a company called Tox Titanium. It's a US brand. Again, this is the best in class titanium dishes, and very, very convenient. So here generally if there are 2 people or more, see, I use this one. See, if it is single, I'm traveling solo, so I use, see, this one. So this is, again, you can make your eggs, you can cook vegetables, you can make your omelets. See, you can toast a bread, which we are going to do now. So today we are going to make some ready to eat pindi chana. So this just needs to be a little bit heated. Open it. So it is lighted up. Put it on the stove and make it come to a simmer. And your khana is ready. See, it has already started simmering. If you can see it, see, it's so fast. So I'll simmer it down. This is already started simmering so fast because it's titanium. See, unlike aluminium, see where again it is cancerous in nature, see generally it's advisable to use titanium. Steel becomes heavy when you're trekking, because this I take it for my treks also. So it has become hot now. So let's put it here. Let's use the other one and warm up some bread. So you can do this also direct. This also I've tried without using all this pan, directly heat it. See. So I'm putting directly on top. Breakfast is served.